with the recent coronavirus pandemic, as well as the travel ban instituted by Trump, it's actually very difficult to get bottled water now. And in case you don't have a reverse osmosis filtration system, I'm not sure if this is reverse osmosis, but if you don't have a filtration system, one option is getting one of these things. It's outside of grocery stores, and you just bring your own bottle. Just bring your own bottle, and you can get it as far as low as 30 cents a gallon, so it's not too bad. Another option, this is still Glacier Water, is to go to a store and buy some reverse osmosis machines, and they can get shipped to you pretty fast from Amazon Prime. I think the last one I wanted to mention was third option is getting a Brita filter or any type of filter system, but Brita's pretty easy. So over here you can get a Brita. Hopefully it's not sold out, but it's kind of useful to get one of these things just in case you need semi-clean water. So those are your options now. Or you can wake up really early to buy some bottled water. 6, 7 a.m. sounds good to you?